In this video lecture, we will look at if-else statement. Firstly, we looked at if statement, and we had a problem because there is a place where we cannot be able to go further, and at that point, we get nothing in return. So the question is, how can we be able to solve the problem so that we can be able to get a result? When a condition is not met, we take a computer, go over there and get something, and it goes there and considers it has to do something else. Therefore, an if-else statement is the best option to use here. Let's go ahead and look at it for an example to see how if-else statement works. Over here, we have a variable x with a value of 1 to 1, and it is an integer variable. So we check if s is less than 20, you print this is if statement. But if x is not equal to 20, is not less than 20, then it should be what? This is else, if-else statement. So, go over here and compile this right now. X is less than 20. If x is less than 20, this is if-else, if statement. Else, this is if-else statement. So, we can see that we have this is if-else statement. And let's change the value of x. So 19, and go ahead and compile. This is if statement. This is because x is less than 20. So, you can go ahead and check many options and try many things. And there has to do with programming, and you're going to enjoy it. Just follow me step by step, and you will learn lots and lots of things in this course on the Java programming. Okay, this is all about if-else statement. In the next video, we'll look at something very more important. However, if you have any question under this lecture, please use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.